Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on electronics with Newegg, full guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and go to newegg.com. Explore the homepage to find the latest deals and promotions. Look for the Deals section, usually located in the main menu. Click on the Deals tab to discover daily discounts. Use filters to narrow down your search by category, such as laptops or gaming accessories. Consider signing up for Newegg's email newsletter for exclusive offers. Check out Newegg's clearance section for deeply discounted items. Look for open box or refurbished products to save even more. Compare prices with other retailers to ensure you're getting the best deal. Utilize Newegg's price matching policy if you find a lower price elsewhere. Take advantage of promotional codes available on coupon websites. Join Newegg's rewards program to earn points on your purchases. Monitor seasonal sales events like Black Friday or Cyber Monday. Look for bundle deals where you can save by purchasing multiple items together. Consider using Newegg's financing options for larger purchases. Stay informed about flash sales that can offer significant savings. Follow Newegg on social media for additional promos and announcements. Add items to your wishlist and keep an eye on price changes. Use apps to track prices and receive notifications on discounts. Carefully read product reviews to avoid buyer's remorse. Finally, make your purchase and enjoy your new electronics at a great price. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.